Hi, this is Ben Stevenson from JourneyToTheCloud.com here for another episode of Cloud Corner. Today I am joined by Lou Rossi, the VP Technical Services here at GreenPages Logix One. Lou had been the CEO of Qoncert, a Tampa, Florida-based Cisco Gold partner, and with a recent acquisition, he is now a member of the GreenPages team, and we're very excited to have him on board. So Lou, how are we doing today?
Great. Thank you. Glad to be here.
Absolutely. We're actually at our summit event, and so there's a lot going on here today. Lou actually presented earlier today about unified communications, and that's kind of where we're gonna start off right now. So Lou, how does unified communications fit into the new IT paradigm? And as a follow-up to that, where do you see it heading in the near future?
Well, unified communications really fits well in the current, the near future, and the far future. When you look at the traditional IT as an on-prem solution today, unified communications has been virtualized, fits easily into your server environment, so we can quickly implement a solution that can easily sprawl out using the existing IT infrastructure. But when we look ahead, what a lot of organizations are doing is moving a lot of that on-prem equipment out into a private cloud, building out their data centers. We can easily, with the VMs, move them out to that cloud, so we have the unified communication now in the data center, a private data center. So what you have is this ability, it's an inherent disaster recovery capability that allows us to continue operations through any event, which up here in the Northeast, I guess we get some snowstorms, and in my neck of the woods, we do get these hurricanes every once in a while that are kind of an annoyance. So it works really well in not just the traditional IT method where we have a lot of on-prem equipment, but also in our private data centers. And then unified communications is also becoming very popular as a hosted solution. So as we move into the hybrid public cloud shifts, we have a lot of options for hosted communications. And some of the great things that we do here at GreenPages, I don't mean to jump ahead on the questions, but what we do is we have hosted capabilities that can be easily converted to on-prem and vice versa. So unified communication fits really well with the new paradigm.
Yeah, absolutely. And why would you say it's important for businesses to start thinking about some of these changes and challenges today?
Well, I mean, of course, unfortunately, for the last 5 years, we haven't exactly had the best of times from a financial perspective, and organizations are constantly looking for ways to cut costs, increase productivity, and unified communications, time and time again, as we've done these implementations, has shown to increase productivity, cut costs, do all of the goals and objectives that an organization today has to be looking for to stay competitive.
And you kind of touched on this, but if you could just give us a little more detail on how GreenPages can help businesses moving forward in their efforts to incorporate unified communications in this new IT paradigm.
Well, here at GreenPages, we have just, it's an amazing talent pool in a pre-sales capacity through our consulting architects and solutions architects, which, I'm honored to be a part of the consulting architect and solution architect team. And, we're available for any of the customers out there that just want to get some ideas, see how unified communications might be able to help in your environment. So, please reach out to your account manager. If you're down in the Southeast market, reach out certainly to the old Qoncert team, the new GreenPages Tampa or GreenPages Atlanta offices, and, give us a call. We'd love to sit down and talk to you. And it's of no cost, so we'd love to talk about the possible solutions, present the technology, and see if there's a right fit, or see if we can increase productivity and lower costs.
And as I mentioned earlier, Lou did present at our Cloudscape 3 Summit today, which I heard was a great presentation. Could you just summarize quickly some of the main points that you made in that presentation and how it was received by the audience, I guess?
Yeah, we had a good group of customers that had already implemented unified communications, and what we wanted to do was make sure that they understood all the features and functions that they now had, that were capable of. Because a lot of times organizations, they implement unified communications and they essentially are doing the same thing that you could do 40 years ago with a traditional telephony system. So we kind of went through Ralph Kindred, who's another one of our great solution architects in the collaboration side, and myself. We talked about some of the cool things that our customers have been doing to really enhance and get value out of a unified communication system.
Absolutely. So Lou, I'd just like to thank you for coming on and joining us today, and welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Now that Lou is here, we're going to start getting him blogging on Journey to the Cloud, so be sure to visit www.journeytothecloud.com to check out what Lou has to say, and follow us on Twitter at GreenPagesIT.